Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After choosing a citation style in Word, you then need to insert your cited source into your document. To insert a citation in Word, place your cursor at the end of the text that you are quoting. Then click the References tab in the ribbon. In the Citations and Bibliography button group, click the Insert Citation drop-down button. Its drop-down menu contains the Add New Source and Add New Placeholder options. For this lesson, choose the Add New Source command to open the Create Source dialog box. Depending on the style you chose, the field names that appear may differ. However, the basic concept is the same for all styles. Use the Type of Source drop-down to choose the type of source you are quoting. Enter all the remaining information into the available fields. To see all the available fields for a source, check the Show All Bibliography Fields checkbox. Any fields specific to the selected style show a red star to their left side. After entering the source citation's information, click the OK button to insert the citation. The style of citation you chose determines what is inserted into your document. Any citation you create appears under the Insert Citation list the next time you click it. If you use the same source again, you can simply select it from the list to insert it into your document again. Like a mail merge field, a citation is a field entered into your document. You can click the citation to see its bounding box and a drop-down button that contains a menu of options you can use to edit or manipulate the citation and source. These options are covered in a later lesson in this chapter.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.